Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this video marks the beginning of the week number 73 in this Road to 100k realized return challenge. And this week started in a bit of a sad mood, even though on pre-market trading most the market indexes were mostly up. However, early in the session they quickly reversed that trend, and now they are slightly in the red, at least in the case of the Qs. And because of that, we have not been able yet to place our, or to rather sell the calls that we wanted to sell. I've been trying for several minutes already, tried to fill out the trades that the trade that I wanted to do. I already tried with several maturities, but the premiums have been very meager, and so yeah, I've been trying to see if the market managed to fill up the trades that we have already put in. All of them failed at the moment, and for now we are trying to sell calls that will last for the entirety of this week with a 75-cent premium. But yeah, apparently the market is not cooperating at all, and the way things are looking, probably it will not be the case for the next hour or two. So on the other hand, we managed to use the other buying power that we had. We decided not to go for the IWM, which is still trading at near all-time highs, so we decided to go for something that is somewhat akin to the Qs, because the prices are a little bit more depressed in the tech sector, and so we decided to sell a put of Nvidia and also two puts on the ARKK. I don't like this trade at all. It's a very volatile index or ATF, and it's not liquid. It's not as liquid, and so yeah, this is a trade that I'm doing with a bit of a sorry feeling, but given the alternatives that we have, yeah, this is probably the best that we could have hoped for. So yeah, this is where we stand, and for now the trade for the Qs is in the order book. So now we will have to wait to see if it gets filled up, because it's at the calls will only mature at the end of this week. The let's just say that the data effect is not that great, and mostly the changes in the price of the shares will drive the premiums for the most part. And so if at some point this price recovers, we will be able to fill out our trade. It's sad that we have to settle in for a weekly call, but at this point the 630 calls expiring today and tomorrow are not offering hardly anything, and the other ones as well, given the extension of the maturity that we are going for. Yeah, even the ones expiring on Wednesday and Thursday are not that great, and so this was probably the best, keeping in mind that most likely we will, even if it gets filled, we will not keeping the calls until their maturity, because at some point, unless the price of the shares reach or becomes very close to the strike, at some point we will be able to buy those back at a much cheaper price and roll over the position. But yeah, we will see. For the time being, this is pretty much it. We'll see how this goes, but for until then, so far, please feel free to leave your comments in the comment section down below. I'm also available on LinkedIn in case you want to ask me any questions, especially at this time. This is going to be a week with a lot of information coming out, employment and inflation data on Tuesday and Thursday, so expect some volatility in these coming days. And also as well, feel free to subscribe to the channel and and like the video. And we'll be reconvening at the end of this week to see how the week panned out and to close out the week 73 in this challenge. And yeah, I'll see you there.